And I'm one of the HONK Texas, part of the HONK Texas organizing committee. And HONK Texas is a 3-day festival of community street bands, 20 really dynamic bands from across the country and Canada coming to Austin to play. When people show up for HONK Texas, they really should expect these community street bands unlike anything they've seen in Austin before. Bands that play because they love to, bands that play to empower people, bands that play because it's fun. We're really excited to bring it to Austin because there's nothing quite like it. And I think that people coming out and seeing kind of what anybody can really do when you put an instrument in their hands. You don't need any kind of setup.
I'm here from Somerville, Massachusetts with the Second Line Social Aid and Pleasure Society Brass Band. I play the bass drum with the band. And our band was formed in 2004. We participated in an anti-war demonstration at the beginning of the Gulf War. And we just sort of grabbed as many musicians as we could find. And then sometime after I guess it was 2006, we thought, there must be other bands in the United States that were formed for similar reasons, that want to be supporting the anti-war and social justice movements around the country. And it turned out to be true. So we contacted all the bands we knew about, and 12 of them said, this is a great idea, we'll come to Boston. And it was kind of a music sharing, public performance idea, and we named it HONK. and it turned out to be a terrific idea. People really enjoyed coming together in that way, hearing each other, getting inspired by each other's missions, and also it was just to the public a very upbeat, exciting, positive thing. So, you know, our first little effort at making a festival turned out to be something that had the impetus to continue. We're about to do our 6th year of HONK in Boston. There have been I think 3 HONK Fest West in Seattle. This is the first one in Austin, which is really great. The Minor Mishap Marching Band came to our festival 2 years ago, and they participated twice for 2 years, and then they got the bug and decided that Austin needed a HONK festival too. We're very excited to be here as guests and not as hosts, experience it from the other side and see how it feels, But the other thing is that new bands are forming all the time, and I think they're seeing this. It's sort of a movement of street music that's accessible, mobile. You don't have to plug it in. And you can go anywhere and play anywhere at any moment. And there's something very exciting about that. So for the musicians, there's that thing driving us, and I think for the public, it's just very positive.
It exceeded my expectations. It was like a piece of costume, and then I got the mask.